Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day. My name is Vernon Arandilla. I am 41 years old. I came from Philippines. I am married. I have one children, 19 years old. I worked before in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and I also I take care two kids. I do cleaning, ironing, laundry, and also I do another house chores. And also my work experience in Hong Kong, take care of two children, 4 years old and 2 years old, also bring in the school and pick up in the school, and also I do cleaning, ironing, cooking, and marketing. And my last working in Hong Kong, I have two kids, 13 years old and 12 years old. I pick up the kids and do cleaning, ironing, and cooking, and also marketing. Thank you and good day.